What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Push Up by Trippie, Red, and Neo. This song does use a capo on the 6th fret. If you need a link to a free one, you can find that link in the video description below, as well as a link to where I keep all of my guitar tabs, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to be entered for a chance to win a free guitar. So yeah, capo 6th fret. This song is using 3 different chords. The first one is this version of an Am7. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. From here you're going E minor 7, that's just your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then an F major chord, bar that entire 1st fret, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret G string. And these are the only 3 chords you need. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Don't forget to check the video descriptions for the guitar tab or for the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.